Okay, nobody makes food like Grandma except for our next guest, Jeremy Salamon. He's the executive chef and owner of Aggie's Counter in Crown Heights, Brooklyn. He has a new cookbook. It's called Second Generation Hungarian and Jewish Classics, Reimagined for the Modern Table. It features 100 Hungarian recipes inspired by his grandmothers, Aggie and Arlene.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome. So please welcome James Beard Award nominee, Chef Jeremy Salamon to the show. Welcome.
Thank you so much for having me. Yeah. Well,
James Beard Award nominee.
Yeah, that sounds so crazy out loud. but yeah, it's been.
Grandma must be so proud.
She is. Both of them are very, very proud Jewish grandmothers right now. So, beaming, yeah.
Yeah. Why decide to write a book?
Well, I just felt like there was a space on shelves for this second generation Eastern European modern point of view, and I was lucky enough to be able to fill that void. So
excellent. Now, did your grandmas, I don't want to be presumptuous, did they have a hand in helping you cook or teaching you how to cook? Is that where your love of cooking comes from?
Absolutely, yeah. I lived right in the center of them geographically. So there was a Friday night dinner and a Sunday night dinner. They had to split them between the two. So, but they influenced all my cooking. So.
Excellent.
That's awesome. Can people taste everything that's in this book at your restaurant at Aggie's Counter?
Not everything, because I have to keep some secrets close to the heart. But yes, most of the dishes you can find in the book, as well as some new recipes. There's 100, lots to cover.
There's 100.
100
wow.
recipes.
Okay.
It would be a shame to put all this to waste.
It would be.
We should probably get a little demo. Is that okay?
Yeah, absolutely.
What are you going to help us make today?
So we're going to make dressed deviled eggs, which is a popular dish at Aggie's. Deviled eggs can be something that's not so glamorous, but we're making them fabulous. So it's super easy. We're going to start off by cooking 2 different types of eggs. I know that sounds intimidating, a 6-minute egg and a 9-minute egg.
Huh, I didn't know there was a difference.
Yes.
Okay.
What is the difference?
So the 6-minute egg is just going to be a little jammy on the inside, and then the 9-minute egg is more like a hard-boiled egg.
Okay.
Do you prefer soft-boiled or hard-boiled?
I'm more hard-boiled.
Yeah, so
person.
Well, we're using both here.
Yeah,
So,
yeah. If my egg is doing a marathon, I want nothing to do with it.
You want nothing to do with it.
If it's running.
So what I have here are my 9-minute eggs, and I started going, and then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and peel them, which is a little bit of a tedious task.
Yeah.
Please, do you have a hack?
So if you bang them on each side, like from the tip down, and then roll them, they usually come right off. Also, if you put a little bit of baking powder in your boiling water, they come right off.
Baking powder?
Yeah.
That's why he's a James Beard nominee, because he knows this.
Okay, that's good to know. My hack was to get somebody else to do it.
No, you could definitely, if you have kids, definitely make them
Put them to work, right?
Yes.
And then you'll go ahead, you'll add mayo to your 9-minute eggs. You can use QP mayo, which is this fabulous Japanese mayo.
Very famous, very
Duke's
very
mayo,
trendy right now, the QP mayo.
And you can go ahead and blend that up until it's super smooth, and you're using the whole egg. So it's not like classic deviled egg where you're just scooping out the center yolk. So make use of the whole egg for this, which is
waste nothing.
absolutely.
Let's dance, because you're going to actually prep one of these. So once you have your boiled eggs, once you have the guts all zhuzhed.
Yes. So you want to go ahead and put it into a piping bag. You can also, if you don't have a piping bag with a tip, this is very chef fancy, you can go ahead and use a Ziploc bag.
Thank you.
That's smart.
Just cut the tip off of it. So find your prettiest plate.
Okay.
Put down a little bit of an anchor, and then you're going to go ahead and cut your 6-minute egg, so we're just a little jammy on the inside.
Yeah, do you see that?
Yeah, I don't know if we could.
And
then we go ahead, kind of.
and so you leave that. You don't.
It's like the glue.
It's the glue. Yes.
The thing at the bottom.
It keeps everything intact. You can also like just smear this on some toast, and it's delicious. Put a little like onion on it. Some
But I
pickles.
like the pretty plate.
And then you want to go ahead, season your jammy eggs with some salt and pepper. We'll go ahead and finish it. You can, at Aggie's Counter, I say to my staff, devil however you want. So express your inner devil.
Yeah.
And so however you want to pipe it, go ahead. And then over here, I've garnished it with sweet and sour pickles, smoked trout roe, anchovy. You can do crispy chicken skin. You could just do a little bit of dill oil, which is what we do at Aggie's Counter.
See how nice that is?
Do you eat it all at once, or what's the goal?
So The goal is it's going to be very messy.
You know what?
But
We're gonna thank you.
Yes.
And congratulations on all
you.
the things.
Thank you so much for having me.
This is I'm just gonna take that with me for brunch.
Yes, please do.
If you
Eat
don't
all
mind.
the eggs.
All the eggs. Make sure you pick up a copy of a second generation Hungarian and Jewish classics reimagined for the modern table wherever books are sold. Candace, get
that too
after
much?
this. Nah, never too much.